Hello everybody, welcome. I've had a nightmare, I've had an absolute nightmare. Done a video yesterday and I spent the last 24 hours, well, in the daytime and the night time, trying to upload it and it will not upload. Just won't upload. It's been an absolute pain. So I ain't really had time to do much today. So what I'm going to do is something simple. I do apologise, but it's something simple. I've got to get a video because I never had one up yesterday because of what happened, and it's just, I don't know. But let me show you what I'm going to do anyway. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a BLT. So I haven't been up the shop, but it's been an absolute nightmare. It's been chaos. Running around like an headless chicken. Right, so I'm just going to do a BLT. I'm going to do a BLT on garlic bread. Why not, eh? So these garlic bread, I think it was 75p or something there was from Aldi. Put my glasses on because I ain't going to be able to read nothing there, am I? Can't see that, can I? I still can't see that. Can you see that? Very blurred. Hold on, let me clean the lens. Well, I'll clean the lens. Is that better? Let's have a look. That's better. So one slice is 93 calories. There's all the whatchamajigs there. There's all the stuff. Now these only cook for 5 minutes apparently. So I've got the oven on warming up. So while that's warming up, we'll get the bacon on. Right, I'm going to get some one spray in, just a bit. You don't have to with bacon, but I'll put a little bit in. I'll get myself a couple of ashes of bacon in. So I would have had to streak it, but I say it's just been a nightmare. Running around like this chicken. Trying to sort things out and it still ain't worked, so I'm going to put them in, and while they're doing, we'll open the garlic. I mean, I don't think they're very big, but for a little snack, look quite nice. I'll get them in the oven, so it'll take 5 minutes, gives them a chance to cool down a bit then. So I'll put them in the oven now. Right, while the bacon's doing, I'm going to chop myself a tomato up. Just into slices. I'm going to fry my tomato. There we go. And I'm going to get myself some lettuce. I just got a little gem here. I had no iceberg up one up the shop yesterday, so not the best, to be honest with you. Let's cut some off. Look at the state of it. Look at it. Get that one. I'll get rid of that one. It was rubbish. Get 4. I'll give them a wash. What's the bacon's doing? I want to get it crispy if I can. Oh, yeah, that's looking nice. Turn that over. That'll do. It's looking nice, that bacon. A couple of minutes on there. Right, the bacon's done. I'm going to get that off. I've just checked the garlic bread. It ain't done yet. It says 5 minutes in there. It's been longer than 5 minutes. There's the bacon, and I'm just going to put the tomatoes in this juices here, just to fry them up a little bit. Got to have fried tomato. I'm probably in your way there, anyway. You probably can't see nothing. There we go, let them do their thing for about a minute. Right, fried tomatoes are done. Looking nice. Get them out. There we go. And we get the garlic bread out. Right, garlic bread's out. Looking quite nice actually. Could do with maybe another minute I suppose to brown up a bit more. So let's build let's find a decent one. A couple of really crunchy ones. There we go. Them 2 there will do. Let's try them 2 there. Let's bring that forward. Let's get a bit of lettuce on. Oh, actually no, first. Mayo. Some mayonnaise first. Got a mayonnaise. Oh yes. Oh yes. Strip the ends off. I don't like the ends. Get it off. There you go. Bit of bacon. Fried tomato. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then on top, garlic bread. BLT. Got enough to make another one there. Let's get 2 on the go. Why not? Take the end off, don't want the ends. Bit of bacon. Bacon's lovely. Very nice. There we go, nice and simple that. Done. Garlic bread BLT. Looks nice, doesn't it, to be fair? As a spur of the moment thing. Let's get a taste test. So, nice simple one that. I say I do apologise for I don't know what's happened, but it's just gone pear-shaped, everything has last 24 hours. But I had to get some up, but they don't look too bad, do they? They look quite nice actually. Well, let's have a taste test. I mean, I love garlic bread anyway. I've never had a BLT garlic bread before. Yum yum. Drop me glasses, give me a second. Oh wow. Well, that's lovely. I'll definitely have them again. That's gorgeous. Take them off. Drop the tomato now. They're gorgeous. Oh yes, 100%. I'll have them again. Very nice. For on the spot thing. Wow, yeah. Cheap to make as well. I mean the bacon, what, 130, 140? Now we're like 70p, bit of lettuce. But it took longer than 5 minutes. It took about 10 minutes I did, so. Yeah, I like that. I do. As I say, I do apologise for, I don't know, it's one of them things. I'll keep trying to see if I can upload it, but I don't know if it's going to do it now. But as I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, just to subscribe. Till the next time. Unless I get any mess ups. See you later. Bye bye. Try a bit more. Try a bit more. It's lovely. Try it. Or let me know if you've already done it. Bye bye.